Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.